Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of July 17, 2022. So if you look at the chart here, you can see that the stock market finished it sharply higher on Friday, snapping a 5 day losing streak with a stronger than expected on the retail sales data and the moderation in the inflation expectation. So right now at the market open today on Sunday, I see that the market continue to push it back up, and you should watch out for the Dow trend line here. So next week, if we're able to clear the 3900, we will head up to the 4000 area quickly, because that will show you the first sign of the market be able to stabilize at the bottom here, and then we were looking for another leg higher. Overall, look at the chart. We are still in the downtrend. As you can see, continue to have a low, high, low, low. But if they be able to break this area here, then that will be a first sign that momentum will turn to the positive upside. So as you can see that on Thursday, the Q2 result from JP Morgan Chase as well as the Morgan Stanley did not provide a good tone for the earnings season. As you can see here, JP Morgan, they slammed it down, okay, and even Morgan Stanley, they get hit pretty hard on Friday, on Thursday. However, on Friday, the better than expect earning that from the Citigroup, as you can see here, look at the chart, Citigroup, and they put it up 13% on Friday, so they can show you that the first time that the banking at bottom out and looking strong move to the upside here. So as you can see, the Federal Reserve, they ended on Wednesday with a little bruise on the face as the inflation hit up. The consumer price index, they shot up to 9.1% in June. They making a fastest pace in 4 decades and risking more than expectation. But seem like if you look at the market, seem like they all oversold and they looking for rebound, okay, in the short term. So we don't know that this is the bottom out yet, but if we're able to continue to break multiple resistance here, that's the first sign of the market it be able to bottom out for the short term, and we just trade in the short term to the upside. So right now, look at the all of the indices. You can see that the SP 500, they continue to punch to it. So we're looking forward, if they can clear the Dow trend line here, we're looking for the 4000 area or even more to the upside. Okay, so but in the downside, as long as the market it won't stop and revert. Every time you see that the market puts back up, they fail to make a new high on the Dow trend line here. So this line they hold them up very strong. But if they fail again, and then we have to be careful, okay. But as long as they don't take this low here at the 3700 here, definitely we build up some momentum to push it up to the upside. Now let's take a look on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also come back to the upside. As you can see here, they pretty strong here. They found support. They failed to make a high, but they pull back. They don't make a low. On Friday, they put it back up. So now all we're looking for is just another high because they already break a down trend line. They got back retest. And if they can clear the area here, definitely this is a first sign of the next leg moving higher to the upside. Okay, so watch out for a lot of technology stock. They'll be able to bottom out, and then you should take a short-term trade to the upside. The Dow, it also tested out trend line here. As you can see here, the bottom out here, pull back up, ABC formation, couldn't go lower. Now all we're looking for is just another breakout to move higher. Russell 2000 is still choppy behind here, but again they try to catch up. If they can clear the Dow trend line here, Okay, that will be first resistance. If they can clear it up, we're looking for further up north. Okay, now look at the crude oil. The crude oil it cooled down a little bit in the last couple of weeks. As you can see, after they fell the upper support line, now they continue to go lower. Okay, so but they have right now they have a strong support in this area here. So in the short term, they probably bow back up again. This line will the first test if they can bow back there. Okay, but overall momentum shift to the downside right now, so you have to be careful if you go long only short term only. Look at the gold; it continue to push it down. However, they have a strong support at this level here, so probably short term rebound, but the overall trend is still in the downtrend. Now let's take a look on the Bitcoin. Like I said, Bitcoin they try to find the support over here, and if they can clear the resistance here, and we're looking for the next level of resistance up there, as well as Ethereum, they bottom out here. Now they break this level first, so we're looking for the gap here. This to be filled shortly. Okay, now if you look at 11 sector of the S&P 500, and you can see that the material it also bottom out, but the trend is still valid. So this one only short-term backup. Okay, the communication is also found a support here. Now we're looking for something to move higher. The energy sector is still very choppy. Okay, low, high, low, low to the downside. So technically, it's still valid. The only thing that they can bow back, and then they need to be the base before they can give you clear direction. But I think that the oil rush is over here. So for the time being, okay, until they give you another cycle up, okay, we will see. But right now, at the moment, they give up all the gain, okay, since December to they shoot it up. So they give up all again there. So anything that go up, when they break out the support, I told you take profit, and this is what happened. Okay, nothing that go up forever. So you have to know how to read the chart so that you can see where they are heading to. Financial sector also bottom out after the CT group. They build up the strong way here. So we're looking for another push up to retest this area up here. The industrial also, I believe they found some support even though the trend is still down. But in the short term, we still have potential to put it back up. Okay, they come down, put back up, come down, put back up, come down, put it back up. So that's the nature of the market we have to dealing with right now. The in the technology sector is different here. They look like they try to stabilize here. Now they have a support here. If they can clear here, we have more momentum, more probability to put it to the upside to test the next level of resistance there. Consumer stable, it also choppy around here. They have a strong resistance here. So next week, if we can clear this area here, then definitely we're looking for another level up. Otherwise, we still stick in the sideways. So you have to be patient on a consumer stable here. The utility is also stabilized here, and they try to back up also. The real estate is still sideways choppy. If you look at 10-year Treasury note on the interest, you see that they cool down a little bit in the last couple of weeks, and they continue to hold on to this level. If they be able to hold on to this level, so it tell you that the Fed at this a little bit at this moment they'll be able to contain the inflation a little bit there. So as you can see, they continue to make it low, high, low, low. If they continue to go low here, they have more room to go to the outside. If they break about this line here, then they will find a way to put it back up. So it depends on how effective the Fed to be able to control the inflation there. Okay, now if you look at the XLV, which is the healthcare after they run up, they hit to the sell zone, they pull back down. Now on Friday they turn back up. So this is another momentum that they have a potential to put it up to the upside also. the XLY, we see the consumer discretionary, it also stabilize at this level here. We can clear this resistance here, we can clear it out this level here. We can continue to test up next week to the upper level also. Okay, so look at the volatility index for the last week. We can see that they continue to go down. That helped the market, it push it back up. So they have some support here, but if they fail this level here, they continue to go lower, then definitely the market will have room. So it means that things stay calmer, and the S&P 500, if they continue to drop here, which is the way they're heading south right now, if they break this level of support, then S&P 500 can continue to move higher. Okay, so next week will be a continuation of the earning report, and a couple of stocks that you need to watch out. First of all, an NFLX, Netflix, and you can see that Netflix it have been hit pretty hard from 700 down to 189 right now. So next week earning, we can see that on Friday a lot of volume coming in, more than ever. If they can clear that area here, that have a potential to have a big gap here, need to be filled. So look like a lot of volume coming in here. If they can clear that area here, they have a lot of room to put it to the upside again. Okay, next one is Alibaba. Okay, so this one here is another big one from China. So this one have to, after they run up, they push it back up right into the sell zone. So they failed to make it the level, so they pull back, recoup, and a lot of volume over here. But this is very interesting because it's overseas with a lot of crazy things happening in China. So if they can clear on Monday, I don't know, that next week here. So if they can push it back up, they still have a chance to come back and retest the upper level there. Okay, so I think the market they also ran by here, up and down here. But this is the first time they make it at the high here. If they can hold up to this level here, and if they show you some momentum next week to the upside, then it's potential for them to get back and retest the level there. Okay, look at the next one is a Tesla. Okay, so Tesla will create a lot of volatility here. So as you can see, Tesla it has been in the downtrend for a while, and then they are choppy sideways, but they don't drop below the buy zone. So the buy zone still hold them up pretty well. They tried a couple of times here to break out this resistance here, couldn't do it because the downtrend line still hold them up. But if they be able to clear this area here, and I think it's a lot of volume coming in, so this one here is still have a potential to put it up also on the next earning. Okay, so even though they are sideways choppy now, so watch out for the level of support and resistance there. They will give you the clue that okay, potential outcome of the earning next week. All right, so that's all I have for you this week, and let's see how the market lay out, and hopefully that if the S&P 500 they can clear it up here, and a couple of strong stocks, the Alibaba, Tesla, they will give you the clue that the S&P 500 can be able to break out this level or not. Okay, so keep an eye on it, and we will see you during the week. Take care, and good luck to you.